Dito na kami sa Starbucks Cafe. Ayan. Ito, dito sila nagpa-picture dito. Di ba nag-picture kayo dito? I-remake yung kayo picture nyo dito.
After 5 years.
Okay.
After 2 years.
Okay. Nice.
Alam mo moral lesson?
Ano?
If you were to risk this by PIC Express, you get every time you go here again.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. That's my lesson.
Don't look the view, look at the chicks.
Hindi yan broken. Guys, umayaw na kasi sarado na ang extreme ride. Kaya pauwi na kami guys ng mga kabataan.
Magandang.
Saan? Sige.
Doon pa lang.
Sige, tara doon.
Yun. Ito sakit doon.
Sige, mag-picture kayo. So, anong gusto mong susunod na puntahan?
Serious.
Ah, ito pala yung Sesame Street. Ito pala yung Sesame Street, guys. Hintayin ko sila dito lumabas. Hindi ko na-video.
Ganun talaga.
Ayan, pictorial naman sila, guys. Pipicture, nagbibideo at nagpo-post. Yan sila guys. After ng Universal Studio rides. Nandito sila sa police station, sa police car. May mga vintage car dito guys. Yan. So pwede ka magpa-picture. California.
Let's go.
Let's go! Nag-give up na kayo. Civic na.
Tunan din kabitin ay. Tun. Tama na ba?
Tara na. Yan, so uwian na. Nadapil na. Thank you sila sa lahat ng yes. Ayan guys. Ayan. So are you happy with your Universal Studio experience? Jello?
Yes, but I'm hungry.
Okay.
Gutom na ako.
Safe na kami guys. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Rosang Gana na Gana. Ikot ng mundo, ginabi na.
Pinagulasan na Universal.
Na mga taga-pulo. Ayan. First ako dyan. So, how's your Universal Spa?
It was good, but we missed more rides.
So,
Moral lesson again?
Kita tiyan mo, may magandang dalago. Bueno, nakaibigan.
Oo nga. Hindi ba?
Guys,
Nagkaagi naka-video.
How's your Universal Studios experience? So, babalik ka pa ba ulitin mo? I-recommend mo ba ulitin?
Highly recommended. Tapos, highly lalo pag ano available na babe. Hindi na ban. Hindi na kumain na.
All experience with Universal Studio.
Sir experience.
In a scale of 1 to 10, 12.
1 to 10, ay 12.
Yes. I am expecting.
Charing. Okay, let's go.
expected dapat.
Expected.
Oo,
expected.
Kasi you expect
Over. Ano na nga ate?
Over expectation, beyond expectation.
Beyond, yeah.
Beyond my expectation.
Okay.
Beyond, dapat it
Beyond
reach
and
out more.
after.
Hindi reach eh. Parang, anong term? Pagka yung super duper, meet.
Yung time lapse na
Exceed expectation.
Yun, exceed, yeah. Exceed.
Exceed expectation.
Expectation. Based
ganun
on
pala yun, pre?
every, yeah.
Okay.
Buy VIP ticket. Universal Studio. Because we missed many rides
Okay.
due to lines. We waited
R. Okay.
Tara, sa YouTube, God. Sayang. Lambanog.